1 Food, Lesson 2 Nutrients and Deficiency Diseases. Okay children, so in this about nutrients today we are going to see in this video class, and about deficiency disease we are going to see about this in our next video class. Okay, now before going to the topic, first answer my question. What is the basic need of all living organisms? All living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms, all the organisms. What is the basic need of all living organisms is, what is that? Basic need of life is food, air, water and shelter. Is it children? So among these, food, air, water and shelter, among these, food is very much important. Are you agree with this? So food is very much important. In this food, so coming to the point, for humans, what kind of food we are taking? We are taking so what is the source of food? Source of food. From where we are getting food? We get food from plants and animals. We get some food from plants and we get some food from animals. So what are the food we are getting from plants? Spinaches, all fruits and vegetables, pulses, grains, isn't it? So many food we are getting from plants. And coming to the animals, ghee, milk, egg, meat, fish, all these things we are getting from animals. So we are getting food from both plants and animals. Okay, so this food, so we are taking different kinds of food. What is present in that? Why we need to take food? What is the need of food? What is the importance of food? Why we are taking food? So need of food. Why we need food? So food only gives us energy, food only builds our body, and food only protects us from the diseases. Isn't it? So food gives us energy and food builds our body and it protects us from diseases. And it protects us from diseases. Okay, so we are taking different kinds of food from plants and animals. So among this food, something is there. So in this food, some substance is present. Those substances only help us to keep us protect from the disease, and it gives energy. What are the substances? What is present in the food? What are the substances? The substance present in the food is called as nutrients. Okay, the substance present in the food is called as nutrients. That substance only makes us energy. That substance only builds our body. That substance only protects us from the disease. The substance present in our food is called as nutrients. So the substance present in our food is called as nutrients. Okay children? So now we go detail what are the nutrients. Is that one substance or many substances? So there are 5 main nutrients we are going to study in this lesson. So 5 main nutrients. What are they? What are the nutrients? Okay. So 5 main nutrients are carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So in this carbohydrate and fat, I said, what are the things we are getting from the food? We are getting energy from the food. Food only builds our body. I said before, no? So from where, which kind of nutrients gives energy? This nutrient, carbohydrate and fat only gives energy. Okay? And so we call this kind of food as energy giving food. So what are the food items which gives energy? What are the food items means? Rice, potato. Okay? So energy giving food we write at the top. Okay? Energy giving food. Okay? Rice, potato, sugar, jaggery. Jaggery means millet. Okay? So this type of food, all that wheat. So many grains comes under the carbohydrate. So this kind of food gives the nutrient called carbohydrate that only gives us energy. So this gives us energy. So this food, because it gives energy to our body, we have to eat lot, isn't it? So you compare this rice, we are taking more, no? By taking food, we are taking more amount of rice. So that's why it's energy giving food. So coming to the next nutrient is fat. So what are the food items having fat in it? So oil, ghee, cheese, okay, meat. So these are the food items have fat, okay, in it. So but compared to this carbohydrate and fat, carbohydrate also gives energy, and compared to this fat gives more energy than the carbohydrate. But even though we should not take more amount of fat substance. If you take more amount of fat substance like oil, ghee, cheese and meat, it makes us body obesity. So that means fat in look. So we should not take more amount of fat items. Okay, fat gives some good effect also. So during the winter season, during the rainy season, it keeps our body in warm condition. It gives heat energy to our body. It keeps our body in warm. So that's why we are applying oil over this lips and somewhere the skin, the coconut oil and all we are applying. This is the reason behind this. It keeps as warm temperature. So it gives heat energy to our body. So fat is good, but even though it gives more energy, we should take less amount. If you take too much of fat, it will become fat. That means obesity. Okay. So the sugar, this kind of rice, potato, wheat, so this gives energy to our body. So we should take more amount. Okay. So this gives instant energy. If you take sugar, simple sugar, glucose, we have glucose water, we are drinking glucose water during the playing time and all, no, it gives instant energy. So that only we are taking glucose as a drink, energy drink. So this is sweet in taste. Carbohydrate is sweet in taste. By taking, so different kinds of food items are there. Means how can I find out which food item contains carbohydrates? Means, so by tasting the food you came to know whether it is carbohydrate or it has carbohydrate or not. That means it gives sweet in taste. If you tasted all these, you will get sweet taste. Okay, rice you could take as a plain rice, it sweet in taste. So by sweet taste we came to know that the food items contains carbohydrate nutrient that is very much needed for our energy. Why we need energy? To do work, isn't it? For physical work or all the work. So coming energy giving food, whereas proteins are body building food. Body building food. So these proteins, and what are the food items we have proteins? Fish, egg, curd, pulses, which is vanity. Pulses. Pulses have more amount of proteins. Pulses have more amount of proteins. So it gives, so we as a children we should take more amount of pulses. It gives us, it builds our body, it makes muscle strength. Okay, it strengthens our muscles. How the body builds, if our muscles become strengthened, it builds our body, isn't it? So pulses we need in more amount. All the pulses, urdu dal, moong dal, all the grams. So everything, 2 dal. So all the pulses, beans, everything is important. Okay, we should take it in more amount. So this builds our body. So it builds our body, it builds our muscles. Then what else it do? Not only muscle. So it does one more thing. It does an repairing work. Okay, if we got hurt somewhere, for some accident happens, means we should take more amount of protein-rich food. Then only the muscle get that repairing work, wear and tear work and all will happen. Repairing work in the body. So it builds our muscle and it repairing work also. Okay, so we should take more amount of protein. So being a children, growth rate is more. So the children should take more amount of protein-rich foods. Okay. Then coming to the next one, vitamins and minerals. What are the food items are rich in these nutrients? So these vitamins and minerals we called as protective food. So this, what is it protective? It only protects us from diseases. Oh, what food item is it? So this fruits and vegetables. You can write all the fruits and vegetables names over this. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. So fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. Okay, children, if you are going for any illness, for example cold, if you contact your doctor will prescribe some medicine. So in that medicine also we have noticed that bottle cover, which fruit vegetable picture is given in the cover of the bottle. So that denotes what? That medicine is having more vitamins in it. So instead of taking the medicines like that thing, so we can go straight away. Take fruits and vegetables in more and more amount. So you will get more vitamins from that. So it protects us from disease. Even though this protects us from disease, we should not take too much of the food. So smaller amount is enough. So if your plate, if you take a lunch plate, which kind of food we should take more amount. The energy giving food should be more amount. Then the proteinaceous food. Then fat, then proteinaceous food should be more in amount. Then vitamins and mineral kind food. That means protective food comes in the last one. So even though it protects us from disease, we need it in smaller amount only. So take all the vegetables. Okay. So what is that? It protects us from diseases. So that's the main thing. Then if we take more variety of fruits and vegetables, it makes your skin glow. It keeps your body healthy. Okay, it will give good vision. Carrot gives all the vitamins are present in all the fruits and vegetables. Give good vision. Okay, so don't waste your vegetable items. Okay, salad, different type of vitamin fruits and vegetable salads you should take more quantity. So apart from this, we need water. Okay, for digestion. So water. Why we need water? Water is very much necessary for digestion. It gives good digestion. Okay. Then it removes waste from the body. It removes waste in the form of urine and sweat. It removes waste. Okay, children. So water is very much important. Then apart from the water, we need one more thing that's called as roughage. Okay? Roughage. What is this? Roughage means AGE. Okay? The roughage is very much important. What is that roughage? In which food that roughage contains means? In fruits and vegetables itself. Fiber content. That means we are saying that in Tamil, narsathu. So have you noticed in beans and in the stem plants, valathandula, then in fruit peels, apple, you should peel very cold. So you should not remove all the peels. In carrot, so those fruits and vegetables have fiber content in it, narsathu. That is very much important for the proper digestion. Okay, so if you take proper amount of fruits and vegetables, it helps not only getting the vitamins and minerals, it helps in digestion. Proper digestion happens in your stomach. So the bowel movement. So bowel movement means Pesairamadi. If you keep your hand on your stomach, you can feel that movement. So that the bowel movements is brings because of the fiber content, narsathu. Okay. So it is very much needed to clean our that stomach. After eating our plate, we are cleaning our plate, isn't it? But who will clean our stomach? Yeah, every morning, evening, afternoon, every time we are taking food, isn't it? Different types of food we are taking. So our stomach should be cleaned properly. Proper digestion should be done. So this fiber content things, what are the food items? Fruits and vegetables. Okay. So those brings the bowel movement in the stomach and it prevents constipation. Constipation means regular toilet habits. We should follow regular toilet habits. Okay. So it prevents, it stops it. If it is irregular, it makes it regular. So if we are feeling constipation, we will take banana. So banana is rich in fiber contents. So you notice that and take your food in this proper amount. So if you are taking food in this such a way, we call this one as, so taking food in this way, this we called as balanced diet. We call this, so balanced diet. Diet means food. The word diet denotes food. So, taking your food in proper amount. A diet which contains all these nutrients in proper amount. That we called as balanced diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients in proper amount, we call it as balanced diet. Okay, so this balanced diet is not only enough for our health, so we should do exercise. Apart from this, we should do exercise also. So water, I said no, how many tumblers of water we should take? At least 7 to 8 glasses of water. Not a small glass, big glass, 7 to 8 glasses. So apart from this, we have to do exercises. So what kind of exercise? So different exercise for small kids. What the yoga is very much advisable to every age group. So condition. So while writing, you have to sit straight. While walking, you have to walk straight. Okay. So that we call as posture. Posture is the position in which we hold our body. Is the posture is the position. Okay. In which we hold our body while writing, while standing, while walking. Okay. While moving, anything. So posture is this in which we hold our body while moving. So while sitting, we have to sit straight. Then while standing also we have to stand straight. We should not lean on the wall. And while talking to somebody also we have to stand straight and talk. So we should not fold our legs while sitting. Like that, many things are there. Okay. So sitting posture, standing. Upright. Sit upright. Stand straight. Upright means what? நேராக நிமிர்ந்து. Okay. So you have to stand straight. So everywhere the posture lens. Then next thing, what we called as health. Health means what? So the health is a state of your complete physical, emotional and mental well-being. That means, so we are saying somebody he is a healthy man, means that man should have a balanced diet in properly every day he should have balanced diet, then only he have good health. That means he is free from diseases. So that is physical, udal alavila. So physical na udal. Okay. So he should not have any disease. Then only we call that man as a healthy. Okay. So physical and mental. He should not have any mental disturbance. Somebody looks good. Physically they may good, but mentally they have some imbalance. So that also we call as health. So the person should have physical health and mental health and emotional. So mental also. So emotional means we should not get anger very short temper. So that emotional balance should be there. So health is a state of complete physical, mental and emotional well-being of an emotional well-being na nalla irukku. Emotional well-being of a person. Okay. So we should care about our health. We should take proper diet. Everything should be proper in our regular life. Then only we will be healthy. Okay. So next class we will see deficiency diseases. Next class we will see deficiency diseases. But now I am going to write the classwork for this lesson. Okay, 4-5 questions. The same thing I given in the PDF format also. Children will copy the same. Okay. Now we will write the classwork.